Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error 0x80070079, then we have the following options. The first option is to check the cables connecting all your peripheral devices. So if there's any problem with the cable, then we need to fix the cable or the device. The second option would be is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So for that, we need to press the Windows and the R key, and we need to enter the command msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic and click OK. And we need to click here on advanced. We need to make sure this box is checked. Apply repairs automatically, next, and this will detect the problems and clear the error. If that doesn't work, then we have to run an SFC scan. We do that by looking for command prompt in the search bar, right click on command prompt, run as administrator, click on yes, and type in the command sfc space slash scan now SCANNOW and press enter. Now if this too doesn't solve the problem, another solution also would be is to run command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and type the command chkdsk space slash f space slash r and press enter, and press y again and press enter. This should fix the problem. If none of these solutions work, then the last solution would be is to restart the computer in clean boot. Now clean boot restarts the computer only running Windows services. The rest of the third-party services are disabled so that we can find out exactly where the problem is. To run clean boot, we need to go to system configuration. So we look for system configuration in the search bar, go to services, and before we proceed, a word of caution. We need to click this box in the lower left hand corner, hide all Microsoft services. And then we need to disable the problem making third party services. So why I'm telling you this is, if we do not click this box, hide all Microsoft services, when you disable even the Microsoft services, then when you restart your computer, Microsoft services won't be able to load, and hence your restart will keep failing. So disable all the third party services, apply OK, and restart the computer. This should fix your problem. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.